So hey guys, welcome here. We'll be talking about how you generate your own leads with the help of Facebook ads and how you make your own campaign. So you'll be getting all the ad copies, ad creative and everything about how you run your own Facebook ad campaigns to getting more leads and convert them into appointments. So basically, I will be talking about CRM also so you can generate those leads and qualify them. Because in this world, we are facing a huge problem of quality leads, right? So basically, in this video, I will be telling you how you can get your quality leads with the FB ad campaign and how you can convert them automatically with the follow-up campaign, with the targeting campaign in your CRM to your calendar. Okay, so let's get started. So basically, this is our Facebook group, so you can join it right now. So basically, we share all the new latest update here, all the news, all the updates new here, update about late, update about result. Who can will share the experience and new things about new method, how you can get new client and how you retain your new client, and you just build a community. So we have started it recently, so you can join it right now. So so here we are coming on ad manager. So here we have option create, then we click on create and we need leads. There is so many options but we don't need so much, so we click on leads and continue. So basically it is called a ad campaign and there are three things in ad campaign. Right, there is ad campaign, internal update ad set, internal update ad, and basically you can make different ad in ad set. So here we set the campaign name. First we set the campaign name, so credit repair and lead and date of the day we add run. So today I think so 7 to 2026. Okay. After that we set a budget. So here is these things, but we set the campaign budget and this is good amount for credit repair business, $20 per day. Okay. Other businesses we have so other amount. So in our business $20 per day. After that we're doing next. So one minute, sorry. So here we set ad set. So here we set financial product and service because our business is this. After this, we're doing next. So we come on ad set phase. So here we set ad name. So here we open targeting. After this, here we select instant form in website and instant forms. Okay, and here is this is I will set in maximize number of conversion. You also set maximize number of conversion. After that, cost per result goal. Yeah, in past we have set this costing, so we ignore it. Value rules. Okay, this is same as it is. Here we set a date. So today is 7 February 2026. Time is we are 12. Okay. You set also end date if you want. So like we you are able to run 3 month, then February, March, April. So we set in April end date. Whatever you want. April 7. Okay. And after that
We don't need to change this all. Okay, here we set a location. So United States, state, what, wherever you want, you set their location. That's it, United States. Okay, we don't need to change this. Here we set a manual placement. We don't advantage plus placement. We need a manual placement. So here we all unchecked like audience network. We only Facebook and Instagram. And in this we need only Facebook feed and Facebook profile feed and Instagram. We don't need this, so uncheck. Instagram reel uncheck. Facebook reel okay. We don't need, so uncheck. This also uncheck. Okay, this is good. After this, we going to next new leads add name. Okay. So now we have to set up our ad set label. Here we will select add creative and add copy. So we change the ad names. And here we make add creative host and image ad. We run image ad, so image ad. Okay. After this we're going to yeah, here we select ad setup. Here we select single image or video. Okay, here is add creative. Select and optimize your ad text and image. So set up creative image ad. Here we upload first, like this type of image. We know whatever we need in creative business. So select this. Next, like okay. So here we are at a primary text. So I have a for this text. Okay, copy this and paste this. Add headline. Headline not important. Add description. Okay, there is a description like a checkbox and 400 plus happy customer. Okay, and call to action will be learn more. After this, here you have to paste the URL from landing page or where you want to redact the audience. Okay, so where here we set the name like targeting one. So basically here we set the interest based targeting. Credit card, add some more, add financial service, add loan and money. Okay, next to come here and set the name targeting to. Okay, Like we can add some more targeting, like home loan, home buyer, like home loan, and property finder like this. Real estate, real, like investor. That's it. So everything is set up here. So second thing is case study, and we have got for one of our client. So let me show you. So this is one case study. So this buyer got around 150 to 200 appointments in a span of 2 months. Okay, basically he closed 24 new clients. So that is huge success for of our client. Okay, so this is CRM where he has just updated all the things right away. And this is one of the campaign where we have used CRM to reactivate the campaign for the old leads basically. Okay, and these are some of the results. We got around $2 CPL, like $2 cost per leads for different multiple campaigns. We have ran for a client like credit repair business ads. So this is one of the result, and this is one of the recent result. Right now we have just spent $130 and we got 60 leads. So basically, see you. So basically, see, you can see there test one, test two, test three, test four, test five. So basically, we have test different ad sets. You have to test different ads, which is work or not. So you have to see, you have to manage all the things like this strategy. We have proven strategy and we have proven ad copies and ad creative. So here you can book all the appointment automatically. So much appointments in a month. Again, guys, if you need our help, if you need a complete system that we set up for you, you can directly book call. Below link is available in this description below.